Okay.
Woody, what are you doing? Oh, you're gonna catch a chicken, hey? Say here, chick, 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 chick.
The chicken's in big trouble now. There's one, Eric. There's a chicken. Get that chicken. He's in the house. They're running for home. Yeah. Why? Are you afraid that's your job, Barney? Barney gets, I think he gets yellow. You want to see a look? Give me the. You throw the bird out.
Yeah.
Let me get a burr off of here. Is your caboose sore? Barney's caboose sore. You got burrs on you, Eric? You got them all?
Oh, don't put one on him, Dad.
No, I want to show Bob how. I want to show Bob. You ever see Barney when he looks at a bird? He hates them.
Yeah, I don't think he needed it.
I just want to show it. Just show it to him. You know how he shows his teeth? He
I don't think he does it anymore. He's getting old.
oh yeah, you show him one of these. And he
Eric, what's the chicken doing? You stay up here, sweetheart. Don't go down there.
hey Bob, come look at the look on Barney's face when he sees this bird.
No. Never mind this. I'll be right back. Stop.
Sorry,
Don't go
yeah,
down
your
there,
grandchild's stealing your show.
sweetheart. No, let's go catch another chicken. There's one.
Is that your cow right there, the one that's eating now?
Yeah, she's kind of like an outcast, you know.
Watch the fence, baby.
It looked like her back leg got broken. But
See, she's eating some grain.
she's eating her hamburger and rice. She sees strange people. Isn't that funny how she's acting? Look at.
We better go up here so she can eat her dinner, okay?
What's the other one?
You know what? She's just not used to seeing. She's used to me.
Yeah.
Barney.
Well, you bring her food too.
Yeah.
Oh, look at there's Dad. Say hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Tell Dad what does
Red mean,
Eric,
Woody?
tell Dad what does red mean.
I'm going Barney.
In a minute. What does red mean?
Stop.
What does green mean?
Go, go, go.
What does yellow mean?
Go like it. No, I'm not going to go.
That's the mama.
Barney.
Barn, knock off.
Yeah, Barney.
Barney, get over here. You're walking.
Wait, keep
It's like a little ball.
Barney he's barking.
Hey, look at the size of that black one. That's spring calf. That black one, how much bigger it is.
I want to see you. Come here, sit down.
Don't do that in my hair.
Oh man, look at the goiter on her. Those little flash in her eyes.
Oh, yikes.
Where?
I don't know what
Eyes
that
of a
is.
softball.
Where?
On her jaw,
Straight
right
head,
here,
the one
the
with the spots
spotted
on
one.
face and on nose.
Right, quit pointing out the imperfections.
Barney, you're staying right here. Just get used to that fact, okay? You're not going anywhere.
You see the pretty trees? See the orange one?
You must think you're going to see them, Dad.
They do, yeah. They see the tail.
We can have our own hay rides now, Dad, make a little money
Hey,
on the
Bob,
side.
Bob, you think I don't have friends? Look behind us.
All the friends you need.
Yeah.
Oh, Barney. Hello.
Eric, there's Dad. Want to wave at him? Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Pumpkin.
Tell him you're on a wagon ride. Oh, you want to sit down?
You're my dog. You're my dog. You ain't going anywhere. Yeah, Eric got lost in the wild and was right back.
Okay, you boys get busy picking nuts.
Oh, gee. Just had to bring the camera, didn't you? Just had to bring the camera.
Hey, Face, what you doing? Little faster, please, Mike.
Slacking off, isn't he? Damn that branch, I could have had her.
Hey, you be careful up there.
Darn. Oh, almost got Dad. Oh, darn that branch, I could have had her. Woo.
What are you doing out here, Putty? Tell those guys, get going.
No, I owe you some cookies. It came down to cookies or a nap again. Yeah. And, oh, gee, which one out? A nap, what out?
Eric, what does yellow mean?
That's back
Oh,
there.
like it.
That's finished.
No, it's not like it. What's that mean?
Put in
What does
all
red
the
mean?
workings in the toilet. Oh, he's just purring now.
What does green mean?
Is Mama being a smart aleck?
Everything. I mean, I took everything out of it.
Yeah.
Everything, honey?
Everything. Everything. You're coming back down again, are you? Careful, please. Barney's waiting for you. Should we go to the next tree? Yeah. Come on, we're going to another tree. Barney, Barney, you can walk there. You can walk there. There's a lot of hickory nuts there. There's the next one, Anna. Where you planning to go?
There's Mom right now.
Speak of the devil.
Look at, there's Daddy. Wave at him. Wave at Daddy.
She won't get mad with Eric. Eric's got it. Grandma's got a soft spot for Eric.
Who wants to go to the house to see Grandma?
Come on, got your thumb, Burn. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, Burn. Come on, Burn. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on, Burn. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Hey!
Okay, wait for Mama. You want a horsey there, Greg?
Hey, Putty.
Say bye, Dad. Wave
Oh,
at him.
there she's going after that.
Bye, honey.
Bye, honey.
Hey, what about the hickory nuts?
What are you doing? Sure? Sure. Yeah, my barn work. Yeah, triple work. What good hands he has for the game.
Oh,
Yay! Oh, look at us, sweetie. Get the ball! Get the ball! Oh no! Oh no! Eric's got the ball! Yeah! Who are you gonna pass it to? Pass it to me? Pass it to me, Eric. Good. You aren't supposed to be recording this, Kathy. You're not supposed to be recording this.
Eric, come here. Pootie.
You watch the Michigan game, Bob? No. Oh, I thought the last
Hey, Marvin.
kind of disgusting, huh? Oh, that sucks because they played the Red Sox. Yeah. What are you doing? It's yours? What kind of ballpoint is that? Come on, Dad.
I'm gonna get him on camera. Okay. Here's Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Jabbar. Yes! Oh! Oh! Where's our star player going? Of course she doesn't catch that one. We had this pre-planned. Only get mine out. Oh, I just came in. Enough of this moving backwards stuff. Okay, this way. Yeah. Goes Mike. Oh, off the heel. Hey!
Oh, and he goes over the backboard.
That was sad now. Oh, nice here. Mark the spot. Come on. You're about 10 feet closer than that. No, I was not. I was back farther than that.
Nice shot, honey.
I guess as you get farther back, his aim gets a little worse, huh, Bob? Yeah, it's getting dark.
Don't forget how old he is, too. I could have made that shot.
You want to try it? I'll take the camera.
Ooh, honey.
All right, Bob.
Just don't know your own power, do you?
Okay, I'll have to take from there. Really well, like. Oh, very close. That's a shot. Good ball, honey. We know who he's rooting for. Oh! Oh! Let Daddy take it. Here. Pass it to Daddy. Pass it to me. Oh, Daddy, you gotta pass it. Good one. Watch Dad make it from there. Go get it, quick. I'm gonna get it. I get it. Oh! Can you pass it to me? I got it. Uh-oh. Oh! I gotta borrow the ball from me. Your son's shooting me out. Okay. Right here. Get the ball from Daddy. Oh, yes.
Oh, honey, awesome.
Oh, you're about 3 feet closer. Oh, it was not. No. Fine, come here. Come here.
You go in the house and get your jacket on.
Honey, I'm ready for a cup of coffee. Skyhook, Mike. You're right, it was the sky. All sky.